Still between the legs, crossover, stop, pull up J, bucket, and pass inside, one bounce fix, clutch fire, basket, San Juan, and Camacho for the lead, bang, penetrate, kicks out, drive, pull up J, bucket. Welcome to Abra Intertown Solid North Cup. First ball possession, Bangged 2. Here's number 1 to the wings. High pass to number 3. To the corner. Drives. Floor shot of the window. First block. Turner at the top. Stop. Pass to Estil for 3. Won't go. Nagawan and Ramos off the window. Bucket. Bangged 2, number 9 to the middle. To the corner, pull up J, bullseye! Here comes Estil, between the legs, crossover, pass to Bersamina. Bersamina drives inside, to the middle, ball stolen. And here's Green Team, bounce pass, and a pass, kicks out, for 3, bam! Here comes Taberner, pass to Estil. Estil goes to the screen, pull up jumper, Matias short. Rebound Green Team. To the middle, to the corner. And pass inside, one bounce fix, clutch fire, basket! For the inbound. Pass to Bersamina. Inside pass, Matias reverse layup, bucket! And a high pass to the corner, drive, side step, rejected. And Taberner. Now in hurry. Against 3 defender, the bounce pass, lumipad na, and fire, put back, yes, the save, and the finish. Number 3 for Team Bangged, nakalusot, penetrate, kicks out, drive, pull up J, bucket! 5-point lead for Bangged 2, and he still drives, inside pass, fires, Matias, the lucky bounce, and nakalusot, and there's number 2, behind the back pass, picks, lost the handle, recover, kicks out, installment by Bersamina, pass break ngayon, and Matias, easy 2. To 1-point lead for Team Bangged. Number 3 holds the ball, he passed to number 2, attacks the defense, inside pass, na libre, what a look. Number 3, the long pass, number 16, side step lace, yes sir, and Bersamina, pass to the middle, 4-3, Camacho, bang, Camacho, and the pass break, 3-on-1, 4-on-1, side step, please, yes sir, and pass, picks, kicks out, it lays, not good, and recover, and ito na ngayon, San Juan, and Camacho for the lead, bang, and of Bermilio, pass to Taberner, to Bermilio, to the middle, pass to Taberner. Taberner spins. Inside pass, still wala. And there's number 2 is 12 spins. Goes inside. He pass. One bounce. And picks. Pass. Basket and one. Backdoor inbound now. Green Team. Falling away. Won't go. And rebound again. Number 24. Fix. Natapikan. Recover, no look pass inside, fast, libre sa loob. And it's still, crossover move, attacks, pull up J, no good. And the pass, Concepcion, bumangga, basket and one, Concepcion. And to the middle, bounce pass, number 21, Pinasa, oop. And it's Camacho. Di-discarte dito. Bounce pass to the middle, Matias, attack, he pass, he fires, easy bucket. And for the inbound, here, corner 3, bam, 3. And we are 25 all, number 30, pass to the middle, between the legs, attacks, inside pass, Bernal with the finish. And the pass is still behind the back dribble, stops, cross pass, Left alone, Bersalimina, 3, bang! Here is number 2, pass to Estil, fires at 3, bang! And is number 3. Corner pass, Asuncion for 3, bang! Asun! And now down to 3-point lead for San Juan, sasagot, low short. And the pass break, Lace, bucket! Concepcion, bounce pass, Bernal, fire, too strong. Pass break and all along, Taberner, Lace, bucket, Taberner. And the pass. And Bersamina, pass to Estil, Bersamina, corner, 3, Taberner, bang! 3 points! Nils Green Team, Banggit 2, high pass, pinasaan yung kasama sa ni Bersamina. Bersamina attacks to the traffic, pinasa. Pass back, Bersamina lost the handle. Save by Estil, nag-roll. Nalibre si Matcha. Good. And the pass break. Sumwigsag. Liz. Inside pass, Matias. Fires. Bucket. Matcha. And Concepcion. To Concepcion. 4-3. In and out. Rebound Estil. Hook pass. And here you go, Taberner. Setting the play. Corner pass, Estil for 3. Bang! 3 point. End of the set. And Taberner behind the back dribble. Crossover. Oop. And here's Bersamina for the inbound. Matias. Bounce. And fire deep to bucket, Matcha. And here's number 3. Lost the handle. And crossover. Inside pass. Picks. Bernal. Bucket. He kicks out. Open look. Picks. Goes inside. Pinasa sa kalaban. And here's Taberner. And stolen. And the pass break. Nasa tatlo sila. Apat laban sa number 3. Goes to the screen. To the wings, inside pass. Kakaldagok shot. Bucket. Setting the play. Bounce pass. Camacho. Hook pass. And there's Ramos. Inside pass, Matias, Lace, bucket, Matias. Short, rebound, ang lagi mo, bucket. Down to 6-point lead, 43-49. Para sa kalamangan ng San Juan. And Matias, pull up J, bucket again. Concepcion is step back for 3, short. And rebound. Sa gitna, pull up J, Medrano, bucket. Taberner, bounce pass, Camacho. Camacho attacks, bump, inside Lace, bucket, Camacho. Estil. Between the legs. Crossover. And stop, pull up J, bucket, Estil. And he stops, inside pass, Concepcion, easy 2. And here's Estil, dribbling the ball. Goes to screen, attacks, kicks out, open look for 3. Not good. That's the end. Taberner against number 9. Attacks, Lace, short. And rebound, the pass break. And here's Bernal, bounce pass, kicks out. To the middle, Bringas, number 8, corner, Bernal drives, to the hoops, bucket, Bernal, to 4-point lead. Estil, sumisigsag, pull up J3, short, rebound, Bernal, pass break ngayon. Eto na si Concepcion, down to 2-point lead. Versimiano, floater of the glass, bucket, score! 4-point lead. Concepcion, number 9, sumigsag, umatake, lost the handle. Fast break, Taberner. In the foul, na-anspo. Pass to Taberner. Taberner against number 9, attacking the defense between the legs. Spins, steal, fires at 3. Bang! 3 points, steal! And Asuncion dribbling the ball, posting up, pass to the middle, goes inside, kicks out, wide open for 3. Asuncion, bang! 3. And here's number 9, pass to number 1, bounce pass, corner, posting up, Bringas, kicks out. On 14, Banggit 2. Berna looking for receiver, kicks out. And pass to number 9, inside pass, Bringas, Carraro. Again, fires, Bringas, bucket. And it's Bersamina. Bersamina tried the 3, shoot. Saves the ball. Exacto, reverse layup shot by foul. Possession for Banggit. Bringas, attacks, Carraro, hinatid si Matias, fires, bucket, and it's Taberner. Down to 2-point lead, 63-62. And lulusot dito si Taberner. Step back for 3. No good. And here you go. Bernal, he passed. Tesles, tie game. Concepcion. And here's Taberner. Bounce pass inside. Matias setting the play. Bounce pass to the middle. Bersimina, nakalusot Liz. Basket and nag-flex pa. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Still 4 minutes 25 seconds. Spins. Matias pull up game. Bullseye! Still pass to Taberner. Taberner goes to the middle, creating space. Lulusot, spins, still attacks. Lumipad, bucket. And here you go, number 3, behind the back dribble. He stops for 3, short, rebound, Layson shot. Oh, and 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Attacks, still fast, no good. Rebound, and the pass break. Eto na Concepcion na naman, ipinasa. Pull up game, no good. Rebound Concepcion, bucket, down to 3 points. Still, pass to Taberner. 1 minute, 45 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Taberner with the ball against number 9. Stops, still, attacks. Still, first free throw, bucket. 71-67, 1 minute 32 seconds, won't go. Rebound, Green, Banggit 2, attacks, fires, no good. Rebound, put back, bucket! Again, 24 seconds. Taberner against number 9. Looking for the opponent. Lulusot, penetrate, stop, step back, attack, pull up J, too strong, rebound, Concepcion, he pass, in is Concepcion, he pass, number 3, setting the play, between the legs, slowly dribbling, attacks, no look pass, sa gitna, Bernal, kicks out, shoot, rebound, pass back, and the pass, attacks, here, sa 3, bam! Oh! Napahiyaw ang lahat at napak. Bersamina for the inbound. Shot clock down to 10. And 28 seconds on the game clock. Still against Comboys. Patres, bam! For the lead, Jason Moore! Oh, talunan! Concepcion for the inbound. Comboy, crossover, Comboy, creating some space. Shot clock down to 7. Corner, attacks. Oh! Same ball. Backdoor inbound, Team Banggit. 4 seconds to shoot. Corner, picks, drives, kicks out, open look. Oh! 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 Pass! Lace! Bucket! Oh! Pass! And that's the end of the game.